Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I want to introduce myself. I am Dr. Muhammad Asif Junaid and I got PhD in chemistry from University of Agriculture, Faisalabad, Pakistan. I am an expert in synthesis of industrial polymers, textile finishing auxiliaries, and the paint chemicals. I developed amine-free high cationic flakes first time in Pakistan. That was a real problem for exporters, and I sold it to Fab Stoff International, a group of Alhambra fabrics, and currently I am working for Fab Stoff International as a consultant. In my PhD, I worked on the preparation of chitosan carboxymethylcellulose starch and alginate-based polyurethane bio-nanocomposites. Actually, polyurethane is prepared by the reaction of diisocyanate with diol. And first we prepared pre-polymer, then we extend it with butane diol, that is a petroleum-based chain extender. In my research work, I try to substitute this petroleum-based chain extender with the natural materials like chitosan, alginate, and starch, and try to prepare biocompatible polyurethane. For example, I introduced these biopolymers like chitosan, alginate, and starch into the PU backbone. Due to the chitosan, it shows antimicrobial capacity. Therefore, we can use it as a dissolvable stitches, wound healing bandages, drug delivery, and for the food packaging materials. Confirmation of the reaction is done by the NMR spectrometer, and these spectrographs shows that the chitosan have been introduced into the PU backbone. GPC analysis was used to confirm the reaction of the chitosan-based polyurethane into the material, and the increase in the molecular weight of the polymers shows that the chitosan is continuously working as continuously increasing the molecular weight of the polymer and is a very efficient chain extender for polyurethane. And also it improves the thermal behavior of the PU films, and with increase in the chitosan, the thermal behavior of the polyurethane was improved. I also use scanning electron microscope to investigate the incorporation of the nanoclay into the polymer that is used as a filler to improve the mechanical strength of the polymer. The main aim of this research work was to make biocompatible polyurethane films. Chitosan introduced antimicrobial activity into the PU films, and the AIM test shows that these materials are very low or less mutagenic in nature. Also, the growth of the fibroblast cells along with chitosan-based polyurethane shows that these materials are highly biocompatible, and there is very low or less growth without chitosan-based polyurethane films. And also, we determine the hemolytic activity using the blood of a human from a volunteer with chitosan-based polyurethane films, and the result shows that these materials are very less hemolytic in nature. Hemolytic is the damage of the blood cells. It means that they don't damage blood cells and don't absorb the proteins on it. This polymer shows efficient results in the release of the drug, and we can control the release of the drug by just changing the cross-linking of the polymer, by changing the concentration of chitosan or other any natural materials. And also I use statistical mixture design to evaluate the effect of the diisocyanate on the tensile strength of the polyurethanes, and these properties can be tailored according to the requirement. I published 7 research articles from my thesis, and I got 48 impact factor as the first author. And overall, I got 64 impact factor. What value addition contribution I can make to NTU? Currently, I'm working as consultant of FabStoff International, and I'm developing formaldehyde-free resin durable finish for them. I believe I can attract industrial entrepreneurs to collaborate with the chemistry department of NTU for financial support. I aim convert import into export. I also worked in the R&D lab of textile finishing chemicals and developed urea formaldehyde resins, ionic and non-ionic softeners, paraffin wax emulsions, polyethylene emulsions, silicone emulsions, moisturizing agents, stain removers, and sequestering agents. I have been teaching in reputed institutions of the town, Punjab College and Aspire College, and also I can work at any position of the management because I am full expert of ASC timetables, software, and desired timetable for Aspire College for 4 years. Thank you very much. If you consider my qualification and experience, I would welcome an opportunity being a part of your dynamic team to work for my professional growth and career development.